Okay, let's sing. What kind of
A,
song?
B, C. Okay, all done.
All done? Alright, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.
See you. Do you like Miss Beth?
Yeah.
Do you like Miss Kay?
Yeah.
Do you like to go to school?
Yeah.
Alright, good job, Eleni. Say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you to Miss Beth.
Thank you to me, Beth.
And thank you to Miss Kay.
Thank you to Miss K.
Yeah. You enjoy go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, Eleni. See you later.